Hey guys, today we are going to be drawing a hammerhead shark. If you could like this video, I'd be so grateful. If you haven't subscribed, you should do that because then you'll know when my next video is coming out. Okay, so today we are doing a hammerhead. This was requested by Michael in Utah, and he would like to name the hammerhead shark Monty. So for you, Michael, here's Monty. So you guys are going to take your horizontal paper, turn it vertically to start off. Okay? Right in the middle, we're going to be making a giant raindrop. So you're going to start up on one side, and you're going to bring it down and come back to the other side. Okay, look, we have a giant raindrop. Turn it this way. And we will start with the hammerhead. So right up here at the top part, so we have a hammerhead here, you are going to do a rectangle. Wow, did not do a very good job on this end. So you guys have a rectangle. You guys see that? So on the ends here, what we're going to do is we are going to make the ends on it. And then up here, there's like a slight lump. So we're gonna come here, slight lump. So now you guys can erase in there. Let's erase all that. Okay, we can even erase right inside here. Let's just get rid of that. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's our top of our head. This is gonna come around like this and go down. See that right there? So now we're gonna put some eyes on either side. Okay, erase inside there. So I thought this was interesting. So right here, do you see this big part here? This is the disadvantage of a hammerhead shark. They have great vision. They can see everywhere, but they can't see right here. And that's a disadvantage. So a fish can be right here and they would never see it. So that's the only disadvantage. Other than that, hammerhead sharks are amazing. So put the eye in here. Ooh, wow, it's quite the music. Okay, let's go. Let's round this out a little bit, okay, people? See how I did that? There we go. Actually, I think I'm gonna do it even more. So let's bring it, see how I made this almost like flat? Much better. Yes. All right, let's do its back fin. So back here, fin there, and then we're going to put his back fin back here. So back here, got a fin, and then we're going to put a littler fin right here. So you guys can erase that in there. So now we have the back fin. Great job. Here's another fin. Whoop. Erase that. And another fin here. Another fin here. That one I'm not going to erase in there because that's on the other side, but this one you can erase. And of course we have its big side fin. So this guy is going to come up. If you need to erase this a few times to get it just perfect, I understand. And you're going to erase in here. Now, if I did this like 500 times, each one would look slightly different. Normal. Since I'm not a robot. And we're gonna add an extra little piece here. That's gonna be where it's gonna be gray. Super. And let's put its, you know what? I'm gonna arch this in a little bit. Do you see how it kind of comes in there? So it's here. I like that better. It's gills. 1, 2, 3 gills. Now we can do, we're gonna do the shape of around here. So it's gonna come up This is gonna be the underbelly, and it's gonna go all the way down. That one we're not gonna Sharpie, but we just know where it is, and now we can put its teeth in there. We all know how deadly those puppies are. That can take off an arm or leg. Yikes. So I'm gonna start on my middle and I'm gonna do a jig-jag. Jig-jag, 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 jig. Great. If you'd like to put blood in his mouth, sure, it's up to you. All right, we got some bubbles. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbles. What else are we missing here? Anything else? No, hammerheads are pretty basic, but there you have it. So let's get out the Sharpie. Oh, I got a joke. 2 jokes today. Why did the hammerhead shark, wait, how did the hammerhead shark do on his test? He nailed it. Get it? Hammer, nailed it. Yep. What's Thor's favorite animal? Hammerhead shark. Kind of knew that was coming, huh? All right, let's sharpen this puppy. Let's go. Fantastic. Great job. Super. Okay, let's do his mouth. Remember, do not Sharpie that, but we can Sharpie his gills. So Michael's dad and my husband grew up together. They're like BFFs. So what I know about Michael is he went on vacation with us once, and I have to say, I love that kid. He is so fun. We went on a houseboat together, and he is so much fun. Always up for an adventure. And you take him out on the inner tube. He might be small, but he's mighty. And he was so fun to be with. Great kid, great kid. But I guess he likes drawing too. So keep it up, Michael. Enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna go around the outside one more time as I usually do. Signature move. Let's see, do we have any fun facts? All right, so hammerhead sharks have superior depth perception. And compared to other sharks, theirs is better than the rest because they have this, and for some reason it's super. And let's see. Though many sharks are solitary creatures, that means they like to hang out by themselves, hammerheads form schools. So they have like little schools or groups of fish. So during the day they're together, and then at night they disperse by themselves, and then during the day they get back together. Would that be so cute to see? Well, I don't know, they're sharks, but that they're little buddies, and they're like, all right, time for bed. Okay, time to come back. And they get back together and they hang out for the day, and like I said, let's go look for some food over here. I know, I'm a weirdo, but that's okay. You're kind of stuck with me. At least that's what I told my husband. Oh, so funny. Here we go. What else can we learn about hammerhead sharks? Oh, they were monitoring some hammerhead sharks, and they found a peculiar behavior. 90% of the time, they were tilted. When they swim, they had a 90% tilt as they go through the water to one side. Isn't that interesting? And the scientists think that it's because it helps out with the drag. So for some reason, it might help out with them swimming better, but I thought that was very interesting. Okay, let's go in and maybe if you have anything to erase, I'm just going to erase around the eyes because I can see lots of pencil there. Don't want to see that. I don't want to erase my lines, but some of them. Okay, This is all the colors that we're using. Black, blue, and gray. That's it. That's all we have. So I like to do the sides darker than the rest. So we're first gonna color the whole thing gray. So I like to go one direction. Great job. Color this gray down here. Color this gray up here. Okay, I'm gonna color this darker in here so it looks like it's kind of behind it. Color in here. Lighter as you go down, and then we're gonna give it like shadow under here. Oh, don't wanna forget this. Inside his mouth here, I'm just gonna go around the outside here. A little bit of gray. Fantastic. Now I'm gonna go in with my black, and I'm gonna make it darker on one side. Actually, you know what? Let's just go in with the gray because I didn't really push down hard. So I'm just gonna first push down harder, get that out of the way. I'm just gonna push down harder so it's gray, darker gray on each end. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here. All right, darker here as they come up. And I'm gonna do darker along the top here. I might do a little gray at the bottom. Okay, and then blue, I just gave it blue eyes. Why not, right? Oh, I forgot to Sharpie the bubbles. So you can go in and Sharpie those bubbles. I'm just gonna color them in, but you can Sharpie them, I forgot. It's okay. And then, of course he's in water, so right now, let's see, I think I've said everything there is to say. Oh, let's see. There is no other animal in the world like a hammerhead. All sharks have sensory organs, but hammerheads have more, are able to search for prey. So sharks have it too. They've got this sensory organ that they can tell where food is for them. And since hammerhead sharks have such that big head part, they've got more of this organ that gives them the sensory. So they can find prey better than anybody else. Except for don't get right there because the shark won't be able to find you. Actually, any fish that's right there is probably going, na 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 na, you can't see me. That's pretty funny. That'd be a good like joke. Joke on you, buddy. So I want you guys to give it some water. Go around the outside, the whole thing. I'm gonna let you guys finish this by yourself. Have a fantastic day and hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys.